Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Ethiopia. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide, you have to visit the Exum Ethiopia transfer page. So for you to do this, you have to go to the Exum, then send money to Ethiopia. So from there, you can log into your using existing PayPal, also create a new Exum account. Then from there, you have to enter all the transfer details, which is the amount, specify how much you want to send, then the recipient information, which is to provide the recipient name, the address, and the phone number, then delivery mode. So choose one of the following, which is the cash pickup, which is available at locations such as Hashway Bank, Atlantic International Bank, Dashan Bank. Then you can also select the mobile wallet, which is the transfer to service like Hello Cash, Telebear, or Hamule. You can also use the bank deposit, which is sent directly to the major Ethiopia banks. Then after that, you have to select the payment method by paying using your PayPal balance linked bank account or credit card. You can also use debit card, depends on the one you have linked. Then we can review all the details and confirm the transaction, and that's how you can simply send money from PayPal to Ethiopia. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.